Hey guys, what's up? We're back in the shop again today and we're continuing our RMAX Accessory Series. The last video we did, we added this front skid plate, put a worn Epic hook and worn Epic shackles on the Yamaha tie-down points. Today, we are going to be going with the Yamaha front A-arm guards and also the Yamaha rear A-arm guards. This is really pretty simple. Just like the front skid plate, if you've got a little bit of mechanical knowledge and some tools, you'll be able to do this pretty quick. And this is probably about maybe a 10-15 minute job on the front end here. So if you have an RMAX or an X2 or an X4, or even if you have another brand vehicle, the best thing to do is when you get your vehicle, try and get these accessories and get them put on before you get out and start four-wheeling and getting off-road and kind of getting all kind of mud and muck and everything else in there. That makes it a lot more difficult to work on. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to throw these on here real quick. I mean, this is like super easy. Yamaha makes the installation easy for you, that's for sure. Again, Yamaha gives you directions just like they did on the front skid plate. Very easy, very detailed. They show you everything you need to know about putting these things on. So whenever you're putting them on, if you've never put a set of these on before, the big lip in the front end is what you want in the front, because a lot of times you'll catch some sticks or something will come up in through there and catch your CV boot, your A-arm, axle, any of that kind of stuff. You want to try and keep debris and even rocks and everything else off of your front end components. So that's what this does. It's going to protect the front end. So that's going to sit in there just like that. So your front A-arm guards really only take 3 bolts, and your longer bolts go on the inside towards the center of the machine, and your shorter one goes towards the outside, down towards the outside of the machine. That is one thing I really like about the Yamaha accessories. They are so easy to put on. We're gonna go ahead and throw on the rear A-arm guards. Since we got the fronts done, we're just going to go ahead and throw on the rears. It's pretty much just like the fronts, very simple installation. Got your hardware, got your directions. It's pretty much a piece of cake. So we're going to get these put on here too. So on these, the big part is going to go on the front, just like that. Same deal, you just take your nuts and bolts and put them in here. Well, there you go, y'all. That's front and rear A-arm guard installation. No time flat. They retail for about 170 bucks a set. It just adds more value and protection to your machine. You can get all the information and details at shopyamaha.com. And I hope that helped you guys out. So stay tuned for more RMAX accessory installs. I'll see you guys. Take care. Have a good one.